Welcome to Engineers of Marketing. Today, I'm here to demystify SWOT analysis with an easy-to-follow guide and a practical example. Let's dive right in. SWOT stands for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. It's a powerful tool to help you understand your business from all angles. First, let's break down the SWOT grid. Imagine a simple 2x2 table. Strengths and weaknesses are internal factors. Strengths are what you do best, like having a strong brand or unique technology. Weaknesses reveal areas to improve, like limited resources or lack of expertise. Now for the external factors. Opportunities identify growth possibilities outside your company, like market trends or partnerships. Threats are external challenges that could impact your business, like competition or regulatory changes. To make this crystal clear, let's use a small coffee shop as an example. Imagine a cozy cafe in your neighborhood. What are its strengths? Premium coffee and skilled baristas. These are the things that make the cafe stand out. Next, weaknesses. Limited seating and no online ordering. These are areas where the cafe could improve. Now, on to opportunities. The cafe could introduce online ordering or host local events to attract more customers. These are external factors that could boost business. Finally, threats. Competition from other cafes or rising rent costs. These are challenges that the cafe needs to be aware of. So, there you have it. A simple and practical example of how to use SWOT analysis. Remember, SWOT analysis helps you strategize smarter and succeed in any field. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more business tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.